So we're having a specialty dining in Umai, the Japanese steakhouse, and I'm trying the pink drink. This was not on the list of drinks for me to try, but I'm going to try it anyway. And I gotta admit I've already tried it, but I'm gonna try it for you. I'll have to let you know what's in it. It's very strong, not very sweet. Steve's looking at me like, no, it's not. What did you think of your pink drink?
I don't know, it's different. I'll drink it. I mean, it's just got a different flavor.
What do you think about Umai so far?
Oh, I love it.
You like
Let's
this?
eat.
Yeah. So they bring out a little, whatever, the little peas, edamame peas, and miso soup. And then you get to choose two different types of protein. I chose teriyaki chicken and filet mignon because now I'm a filet mignon expert. Well done. And Steve, what are you trying?
I'm doing the miso soup, scallops, and New York strip.
New York strip? No filet mignon?
No. I had filet mignon last night with lobster.
Ice cream?
And ice cream.
Yeah, and they switched the ice cream from the kimochi ice cream to just a vanilla ice cream with caramel sauce. So good, because I didn't hear good things about the other one. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. This is my first time at a restaurant like this, so I wasn't really sure what to expect. Still not, but we're gonna eat. Prior to eating, they will come around and they will take your order for your proteins. And then the chef will go ahead before he starts cooking to confirm what you have ordered. Now, please make sure that you do let them know if you have any type of food allergy. I have a shellfish allergy, so they prepared my meal before preparing the seafood, which was excellent because I was worried about that.
Some Japanese massage. You make some Japanese massage. It's a nice massage. Alright. It's your first time, right? Alright. Alright. By the way, I just introduced you my pet on board. Her name is Anna. You know Anna, right? Anna! I can fly. I can drink your wine, okay? Hello. Alright. I can see in your eyes. I can see in your smile. I like a moment. I like a moment. Are you ready? Yeah, you have a nice place. Alright, baby. From Walmart, Japan.
A few things I'd like to let everybody know. First of all, if you're coming here for a romantic, quiet evening dinner, that's not going to happen because this place is alive. The atmosphere is just amazing, but it's far from quiet, which brings me to number 2. If you have someone who is sensitive to sound and loud noises, this may not be the place to go. And thirdly, if you're thinking about getting out of here in 30 minutes for dinner or an hour, our dinner took us just over 2 hours, but it was well worth it.
That's Are you ready, sir? We can do this, sir, okay?
Open wide.
You just hold it. Okay? I count 1, 2, 3. No? You gotta wait for it. Just kidding, sir. Just kidding. I just asked you if you are willing. But sometimes I try it, yeah.
Umai Teppanyaki was an amazing meal. This was like nothing I had ever been to before, and I am so glad we went. The food was amazing, the entertainment, the service we got, outstanding. If you're ever on Sun Princess, please be sure to check it out. You'll be glad you did.